Good. Good one. Good right by Borak. Domination by Sumatra back.
Corner, wearing blue with red and weighing 104 pounds from Malabon City, Adrian Borja. And he's opponent across the ring, fighting out of the red, wearing white with light blue and orange, is professional debut from Higato Kamao of Montalban, Rizal, introducing Hermenegildo Sumatra.
Pwede dito, hindi na kailangan i-zoom. Maganda yung resurrection niya.
Barangay Adrian Borja at Hermenegildo. Yung Sumatra na to, malako na po magtalban nila siya matigan doon sa Sumatra. Ang mga dalawang ko parang natalo. Hindi kaya negative. Okay. Oh, good play. Hoy! Split ng talisod. Straight. Pinsan mo na. David Tony Sumatra. Good, right? By Bora. Good combination. Oh, good. Right by Bora. Bawin mo siya. Sige, gaya talaga. Round down pa lang to. Ito talaga pag mga pro debut. Mga ganyan pang bitin. Good! Good one. Good! Good bulan. Two baksak. Quick 1-2 by Sumatra. May nilangan dito si Bor. Nilangan. Good 1-2. Oh. Good right by Borak. Domination by Sumatra back. Oh. Good right by Borak. Domination by Sumatra back. Sana naman si Borak. Oh. And end of the bout and winner by technical knockout sa kanyang pro debut, Jun Sumatra ng legal na boxing game ng Montalban. Congrats brother, congrats. Kudos pa rin sa'yo, Adrian Borja.
Hermenegildo Garcia stops the fight at 1 minute and 54 seconds of the very first round. We have a winner by a technical knockout, Hermenegildo Sumatra.